Oh no! Nothing is worse than a broken smartphone. Starting at $50, DrPhoneFix in Plantation, Florida provides same-day repairs on all iPhones. We are the premier iPhone repair specialists in South Florida. From cracked screen repair to water damage, our work is hard to beat. Get a free estimate via Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, email, phone, or the old-fashioned way, by stopping in today. Some of the other smartphone and tablet services we provide include button malfunctions, charger port repair, water damage repair, and battery repair. Save $10 off your next repair by sharing this video. We have a multitude of accessories for you to baby your iPhone while you wait. We provide iPhone repairs for Plantation, Florida, Lauderhill, Florida, Lauderdale Lakes, Florida, Tamarac, Florida, Davie, Florida, and all surrounding areas. Get an estimate by clicking on the link below. Ask us about our price matching. Open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. Stop in today. The dock is in.